The 1976 Alfa Romeo New York Taxi is a groundbreaking concept car designed by Italdesign under the guidance of Giorgetto Giugiaro. Commissioned by the New York Museum of Modern Art, the project aimed to create a more efficient and user-friendly taxi for urban environments. The concept was designed to meet a brief from the museum, focusing on producing a cleaner, more efficient taxi. The taxi measures approximately 4,000 millimeters in length, significantly shorter than contemporary New York taxis, which were often over 5 meters long. Its compact size was intended to enhance maneuverability in crowded city streets. The vehicle features a tall and square shape, maximizing interior space while maintaining a relatively low profile. It is classified as a 5-door multi-purpose vehicle, with sliding doors on both sides to facilitate easier entry and exit, particularly in tight urban spaces. The interior design emphasizes passenger comfort and accessibility, providing nearly 2 square meters of space. The taxi can comfortably accommodate 5 passengers alongside the driver, with ample room for luggage. One of the standout features of the New York Taxi is its flat floor design, which allows for wheelchair access, complete with a fold-down ramp. The taxi is based on the front-wheel drive running gear of the Alfa Romeo F12 van, including a 1.3-liter petrol engine and independent suspension in both the front and rear. The vehicle's technical components, such as the engine and suspension, were directly transferred from the F12 van to ensure reliability and performance. The New York Taxi concept was not just an artistic endeavor, it represented a shift in urban transportation design philosophy. Giugiaro's work on this project emphasized functionality over aesthetics, aiming to meet the practical needs of city dwellers while reducing pollution and improving fuel efficiency. This approach has influenced subsequent designs in the realm of urban vehicles. The concept car featured a plate glass window in the middle of the roof, treating passengers to a panoramic view of the sky, a feature later copied by Nissan for the NV200-based cab. The taxi's design principles were expanded upon with the Lancia Mega Gamma, a less boxy, more streamlined prototype that gave form to the modern multi-purpose vehicle. Although the Alfa Romeo New York Taxi did not become a production vehicle, its design principles influenced future urban transportation solutions. In 2011, Nissan's NV200 won a competition to supply taxis to New York City, reflecting the forward-thinking solutions introduced by the Alfa Romeo concept. The 1976 Alfa Romeo New York Taxi serves as an innovative example of how design can address urban challenges, showcasing forward-thinking solutions that remain relevant nearly 50 years later. Its impact on the automotive industry is evident in the modern multi-purpose vehicles and urban taxis that followed, making it a significant milestone in automotive history.